Would you kindly introduce yourself to everybody?
My name is Ryan Haberfield and I live in Bridgend, South Wales.
Grand. And what have we been doing today?
Oh, we've covered so much.
I know.
Where to even begin?
How's your brain?
I can hardly think at the moment if that sums it up.
So it's full.
Very full, yeah.
Yes.
So much good information. We've learned everything from finding deals, speaking to estate agents, business things, some strategies.
Yeah.
And more than I can even think about at the moment.
Yes.
My brain is fried.
So the brain gets fried because it's absorbing information. So really, we've done 45 million quid's worth of property, and we've done a one-day workship here, which is about deal sourcing, and it's straight speaking, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's about this is how you source deals from estate agents, from direct to vendor, direct to landlord, direct to house, and auctions, and then the 9 processes. And obviously good lunch, good cake, good people. So how did you find the day in terms of the community, the people in the room?
Oh, everyone's been fab.
Yeah, they are.
I've spoken to everyone pretty much.
Yes.
Everyone's been really positive. Everyone's in a different position on their property journey, which has been really interesting as well. Find out what everyone wants to do, what they want to get out of it. And yeah, definitely going to have some relationships moving forward with some of the people we've met.
It was quite cute. We had one of the guys, Emaine, who's just joined my mentoring program, and he was like, I've got this deal, I've just worked out, it's a 21% yield. And everyone went,
we'll have that. Yeah. We can have that one, please. Yeah.
And then we had people looking for investment, people looking for deals. Yeah. We had estate agents in the room. We had a letting agents room. We had your wife, who's solicitor, in the room. So it's a high quality room, isn't it?
Definitely. Everyone's knowledgeable, or looking to gain the knowledge of some people. Josh was an estate agent.
Yes. Fantastic guy.
Yeah, fab. Seeing it from that perspective as well.
Yes.
Obviously from yourself.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Got a bit of knowledge in there, but
cake was good too.
Yeah, the cake was very good. It's worth coming just for the cake.
So, what were the key takeaways for you?
For myself, I'm not making enough phone calls at the moment. I'm finding I'm spending too much time on the ground actually viewing properties. Right. And not. So
you'd almost call it tire kicking.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't mean this rudely, but thinking you're doing the right investment things, but being on site, not actually collecting the correct leads in the first place to go to the correct properties.
So, yeah. Yes. Like again, it's the right move thing. That one looks okay. Ring the estate agent.
We call that property porn.
Property porn, yeah. Too much property porn.
Yeah. Sorry, Mum.
Yeah. Sorry, Mum, if you're watching. Too much of that sort of stuff. I think what you mentioned is just phone the estate agents rather than looking on Rightmove. Yeah.
So probably not making enough phone calls. Yeah. What else is a key takeaway for you?
It's a business.
Yes.
Not a side hustle. Yes. A side job. That's something which is really important to me. Yeah. Moving forward, that's something I have to concentrate on, getting all the systems in place. Yeah. Logging phone calls, logging data. That's it. All these sort of things.
Measure so that you can then improve.
Absolutely.
Isn't it? And then final takeaway from today? This has been a long day full of information. I think they're trying to speak. That's what's happened today. Sorry.
It's right. It's that saying, your network is your net worth. Yes. It's that as much of the great things we've learned. Yeah. Meeting so many different people. Yes. And who knows what will come from some of the relationships we built. As long as you now follow through. Absolutely. Which I will do on Monday morning. So I have all day long gone. Monday, Sunday. A Sunday? Yeah. Okay. I've all day long gone collect business because of GDPR. We can't give out data, and we get a very high quality room. So I want you guys to follow through. Grand. I will. Yeah, tomorrow. Then. I don't think they're going to sleep tonight. Probably not. Okay. No. Thanks so much for that. Yeah, thanks for having us. It's been amazing. Good. I recommend it to anyone. Thank you. Welcome. We're just fan club now. Oh no, you recorded that too! That's going on YouTube. Yeah, probably. He's doing the outtakes. Thanks, that's great. You're welcome.